my name is Faith Chaney-Grant, and I'm the 8th grade English teacher this year at Hickory Hills. I wanted to make a video to introduce myself and show you my classroom. 8th grade English is all about getting students ready for 9th grade English. So we do a lot of writing, a lot of reading, a lot of working with literature. If you ever have any questions about my class or any of the assignments in my class, just message me on Canvas and I will get back to you as quickly as I am able to. So I was going to give you a little tour of my classroom. So we have up here on the wall a lot of our literature terms that we're going to be working with. We have our library over in the corner of reading books. Got all of our cubbies for reading and keeping all of our materials separate. Up here at the front of the room, I always have our state standards and our agenda, in addition to it being on Canvas. And then I have over on the other side of my whiteboard a list of all the assignments that are currently due. So thank you for watching, and it's nice to meet you. If you have any questions, just message me, and I look forward to seeing you hopefully sometime this year in person. Bye.